This is absolutely unreal. That is beautiful. Look at these fountains and look how amazing. I love Ukraine right there.
You're good to go, boy. You're good to go. Yeah.
You got a dream. You got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it.
What is up, my Back to Life family? I am in Kyiv, Ukraine right now at the Arka Druzhby Narodів, so the Ark of Friendship between Ukraine and Russia. Unfortunately, the way the East is right now, there's not so much friendship going on, but check this out. This is absolutely unreal. Look at these sculptures. Look at these two guys. I don't know who these two guys are. I wish I did. Unfortunately, I do not, but it is called the Arka of Druzhby Narodі, and it is absolutely phenomenal. And there's a glass bridge behind that I'm going to show you, and then the entire city of Kyiv that you can see that way. But however, I have enjoyed Kyiv so far. I mean, from the food to the people to everything that it's had to offer, it's been absolutely amazing. But I'm actually really enjoying seeing all this different architecture. I've been to quite a few different countries, and this architecture is blowing my mind. So I'm going to give you a little bit closer up. I want to walk up here and just show you what it actually looks like. Let me get a little bit closer. So I'm shooting with a GoPro now, so I can't just zoom in. I have to actually walk up to places. But check this out. I mean, you got a whole family right there. And then look at these two guys. This is crazy. Druzhby Narodov. I think there's a sign right here. Let me see if I can find it. Maybe. Sculptor. Oh, so this is like the person who did it, the sculptor. And then we got a glass bridge over there, and you can see the whole city, and I'll walk over there here in a few moments. But then you got all that going on right there, and then it's just beautiful. It's so beautiful here in Ukraine. Kyiv has not disappointed one bit. And if you're watching these videos, let me know what's your favorite thing to want to see, or maybe what you've seen on my videos. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to know what you're wanting to watch while I'm here in Kyiv, and I'll do my absolute best to get that content for you. But this is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, imagine this though, like being able to put up this sculpture, to put up these sculptures, and to put up this entire arc. I mean, this is at least, oh my gosh, that's like 100 feet in the air, no joke. So whoever worked on this, absolutely phenomenal job. You did great. So we're gonna move towards this glass bridge, and I want to show y'all, like, look at these trash cans though. This is like recycling situations going on. So this is like Ovaha, викидайте тільки стекло. Okay, so you got glass for this. This is only plastic right there. This is actually super cool, y'all, to see how different it is in a different country. And then I guess that's like whatever trash right there. That's super cool. But yeah, so we're gonna keep moving from this arc area, Ark of Friendship. Hey, you keep playing. Keep playing. They take you to jail. You're gonna be in jail.
You know.
All right. First day in Ukraine, arrested.
Gotta experience the real life, you know.
Well, тут класс. That means this is cool. That's what I said in Ukrainian. Whoa, this is sick. Oh my goodness. I feel like, okay, I feel like we need this view too over here. You go this way. Yo, let me get you this view right here. This is a пішохідно велосипедний міст. Oh, okay, so you can walk and ride a bike. Check this out, y'all. Look at this view, this bridge. This is unreal. So there's a beach right there. You can see a sandbar. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. There's a Ferris wheel. This is unreal. I wonder what that bridge is called. Unreal, y'all. So there's tourists everywhere, but this is amazing. I can't wait to walk over that glass bridge. I'm a little afraid of heights, so we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna try to talk as best as possible, even when I'm doing that, but this is amazing, y'all. Check that out. Okay, y'all, so that view over there was beautiful. Okay, but you walk 20 feet, 20 yards away, and there's another phenomenal, absolutely breathtaking view. I don't know, this one even might be better. Like, I can see the entire city from here. Of course we're gonna take some pictures, but look at this. And I tried to get the name of this bridge, but it was very difficult. Like, it was like 14 words back to back to back. Pretty much it's just called like a walking bridge. And it's beautiful though, absolutely amazing out here. What's up?
Чесно кажучи, приїхали сьогодні перший раз в Київ.
Я приїхав сюди.
Я теж.
А звідки?
Зі Львова.
О, я їду у Львів. Ну, Львів, так? Так. А як тебе звати?
Віталік.
Віталік. Тебе як?
Святослав.
Святослав і тебе?
Володя.
Володя. Я Микола. Але я з Америки.
Ніфіга ти українською класно говориш.
Ну дуже дякую. Батьки переїхали з Америки в 89-му році, але з батьками мушу говорити, тому що українську мову вчити, знаєте. Але thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you.
There you go. I like that. Man, Україна. Це така гарна.
You can't see through anymore.
Я влюбився в Україні. Yeah, so you used to be able to see through here. I don't trust that. You go ahead. Yeah, you got it. Not me. No, я там не буду йти. No, I'm okay. Thank you. Nope. You can't even see nothing. It's gonna be you falling through the hole. Look at this. Beautiful view. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go down. I'll try to see what else we can find as we walk, and then we're gonna get into the city and I'll be able to film all that for you as well. So make sure you stay tuned. This video is gonna be amazing. Kyiv is blowing my mind, I promise you. Okay, y'all, so we're walking completely across this bridge that I was showing y'all, and we're approaching a Vodичный fontan. Okay, that's really important to know. So it actually just means water fountain. I'm just being extra right now, but check this out, y'all. We're walking up to this fountain. It looks amazing. Oh, let's see what the sign says. Usually that's how I find out what stuff is, but look how beautiful these parks are. I mean, unreal. What is this called? Park Volodymyrska Girka. Okay, so Volodymyrska Girka Park. Okay. I don't want to read all the other stuff. Makes my brain hurt. Look at this. This is beautiful. It smells so good out here too. Look at this, y'all. Oh yeah. There's all kinds of money in there too. Got coffee, lemonade, ice cream. This is beautiful. All the street signs. Unreal. They got cotton candy. This is so beautiful. Look at that view back there. Unreal. I love it. I'm having so much fun here. I'm excited. I can't wait to keep exploring. Man, we're gonna keep headed down the whatever the path, and we're just gonna keep enjoying the day. This is absolutely phenomenal. I am not disappointed even 0.01%. Paul, are you disappointed 0.01%?
Oh, I'm
absolutely not.
100% satisfied.
This is crazy. Like I feel, we haven't ate and I feel full. How about that for mind blowing? This is crazy. I love it.
Full of energy.
Are you hungry? I mean, I feel hungry, but we're so full from like
We're
everything.
full from the views.
Come on, man. Views for days. Let's keep moving. Okay, y'all, super cool area we just walked into, and I told y'all we're gonna take you into the heart of Kyiv. We're gonna show you around. I'm in the Maidan Nizheleznici. I probably said that wrong, but this is like where the revolution happened, and I've seen it on a YouTube video actually. This is where like they were celebrating the Ukrainian revolution and everything. We got the fountains out here. Like this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, wait till I get to the other side and y'all see that, but look at these fountains and look how amazing just everything looks, especially as I keep saying in all my videos, with all the different architecture that's going on through all of this. I mean, wow, like very beautiful, very talented artists, very talented architects. I mean, this is just amazing. You got the sunlight back there with the fountains. That is just, wow. Wait till I show y'all what's on this building though. And then heck, that building right there looks amazing. This is, even the pigeon appreciates it. But check this out right here. It's like a warrior with an angel. That is awesome. This is just an awesome common area for everybody to hang out. But so there's actually an underground area here where like there's a bus area, and they were saying that there was food down there as well. So we're gonna go eat down there, grab some food. But this is just awesome. I mean, check this out. As I get closer to over there, you guys will see that. But this is a dope. What's up, brother?
What up?
What's going? Where are you from?
England.
Oh, that's cool. I'm from the US. What's your name? You're going on YouTube, all right?
Yeah.
What are you doing here? Just chilling?
Yeah, we're visiting Chernobyl.
We're going tomorrow. When are you
tomorrow?
going?
Well, we're going on Saturday. Oh, no, when we're going Friday. We're going Friday, Saturday. Are you there for 2 days?
Oh no, we're just doing it one day.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's awesome. So you guys just decided to come to Ukraine?
Yeah.
Is this like a normal destination or?
Nah, it's first time.
All right. Well, I'm actually Ukrainian, but my parents lived here 30 years ago, so we can speak the language.
Oh shit.
And
yeah.
so we're gonna go see our parents' motherland. So it's pretty cool. We appreciate it.
Yeah, nice.
This is gonna be on a YouTube channel called Back to Life, like
Back
the
to
number
Life.
2. Yeah.
All right,
Give them some stickers. We got some stickers too. Yeah.
I will take a sticker.
That'll make you remember it for sure. That's how you do it. I love it. I'm like, what's your name? That was awesome. Yeah, so we're out here, y'all. What does that say? Я люблю Україну? Oh, that's the sign. That's got to be thumbnail right there. That's thumbnail, ain't
With
it?
this giant
Like an angel. What is that? Like an angel woman?
angel god or something.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. See, like it. As we get further, it gets better. Wrong way. This way.
Головна пошта України.
Oh, that's the U.S. Postal or U.S. Postal Service. It's the Ukrainian Postal Service, I guess. That's what that is.
Look at that beautiful building over there.
Yeah, that is. And then you got the "Я люблю Украину" sign. But yeah, this is like, I even saw a YouTube video. I think it was a Nate and Carrie YouTube video where they were celebrating the Ukrainian Revolution and everything like that. This is unreal, y'all. Let's go over to that sign though. If we don't, wait. Where do we cross? What in the world? Oh, you have to cross underground, bro.
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh shoot. Oh, right there. Well, there's that. All right, y'all, so look, we're going underground right now. Oh wow, this is kind of cool. It's like creepy but cool at the same time. So you go under.
You need to go that way though, but there's a wall. So.
No, I saw someone going that way. Let's see how that works out.
There, underground markets, we got everything.
Yeah, this is like the underground black market for anything you need. We're under here, about to find some illegal passageways. Yeah, right, we get lost. We don't know where we're going.
Oh, it's locked.
Yeah, we're not going in there. But we're underground Ukraine right now. I see sunlight.
No promises, but
I think we made it across. Did we make it? Yeah, we made it, baby. We made it across, y'all. Look, Range Rovers, Benzes, the Ukrainian Revolution area. Look at that. Definitely got to get a picture in front of that sign. Absolutely. This is beautiful. I mean, they're on Segways, man. And they all look like gangsters. This is awesome. Why did I just go into a British accent? This is awesome, folks. We're out here in the Ukraine in Kyiv. Absolutely enjoying a wonderful time. We've even got a teddy bear in the street.
there's a bear, bro.
Bro, there's a freaking mouse in there. They're all something. I love Ukraine right there. Oh, she's got pigeons. Oh, I don't want to touch it. Oh no, I don't want to touch it.
Huh?
You want to give me a pin?
You're gonna have to pay for it. Oh, whoa, brother. Whoa.
Eve and Adam.
Even autumn?
Yeah. If you want to, you can take pictures.
Adam and Eve. You might as well take a picture and pay them, brother.
Absolutely.
Hold on, we gotta take some pictures. Oh, another one?
If you stay together and make pictures.
Hold on, this is a perfect one. You go ahead. This is awesome.
How do you feel, sir?
I feel amazing. I'm the pigeon man out here in Kyiv, y'all. This is how you do it. You know, you get you a pigeon, you hang out with them. You know, no longer call me Nico the Traveler, call me Nico the Pigeon Guy, okay? Because that's what I am. Thank you very much.
Ми перший раз в Україні.
Батьки уїхали, мабуть.
Да, 30 років тому.
Ви друзі чи брат?
Двоєрідний брат.
А чого ж ви тоді живете по отдельності?
Ну, двоєрідний брат.
Ну, то Америка, ніхто не живе
двоюрідний.
разом.
Двоєрідний, є.
Але в Америці всі самі живуть. Ніхто не любить разом, таке все. Alright, y'all, so we're about to leave that. You know, I just became the pigeon man and whatnot. And tried to get got over on by the pigeon people actually. So be careful out here. They will try to charge you like 20 USD for 2 minutes of like 3 pictures. So do be careful when you come out here and things like that. But we got the Я люблю Україну sign right here. This is absolutely beautiful. And then going in this direction right here, you got all kinds of sculptures. I definitely enjoy being out here in Ukraine. This is super duper cool, and I can't wait to keep exploring everything. I think we're gonna go grab something to eat. Let's go see what that looks like down underground. It's called like the Globus. Not really sure, but we're gonna see what that's like, and then we're gonna keep moving. Yo, look, we just went underground, and there's a literal mall under here. Like, who in their right mind? This is crazy. They put a literal mall under the road. This is wild. This is beautiful. This is, so we're like in it's a shopping mall, I guess. It's very high end actually. Oh, there's a whole food court. Check this out, y'all. Got a whole food court. Oh, look, McDonald's. They even got the ordering on there. Ta-dam! That's so cool. Oh yeah, pechena kartopля. Bro, I love this.
Fries.
This is so cool.
French fries, baby.
I love it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna get some fresh berry natural bar food. I don't know what they have. They got juices. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I want. Sugar, coffee bar. I don't need no sugar or coffee, but I need some healthy juice and then some food, and we're gonna be good. And I got some buckwheat noodles with veggies, okay? And I got some chopsticks here. I'm not a professional, but I'm good enough. Let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh. And you got this from Noodle Doodle. And then, well, I had a smoothie, no longer have a smoothie. We got some sriracha sauce on here. This is really good. We literally didn't eat today. We woke up at 12, okay, in the middle of the day, and then we were like, we just gotta go explore. So this is our first meal. I can feel my legs shaking. That is amazing, but I'm gonna finish out this video. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. I'll catch you here in a few when I'm done eating. All right, y'all, I'm here at Lviv Croissants in Kyiv though, not in Lviv. All right, so we're gonna jump in right here. I'm gonna show you a little unboxing video of the croissant. Look at that. Beautiful. I told her to just give me whatever she eats. We're just gonna take a bite. That is so good. We got some mint lemonade. Oh wow, one more sip. That is beautiful. If you're ever in Ukraine, Lviv croissants, they're everywhere in Kyiv especially, and I'm sure they're in Lviv as well, so come try them out. Alright y'all, so real quick, before we end out this video, I just showed y'all this intersection, but this is one of the most expensive bazaars, and I'm not really sure. Let's see if I can read that. Besarovsky Ranok, I think, Runok, I'm not sure, but they told me that this bazaar right here is so expensive. This is where like the wealthy people come. Been a really fun time experiencing Kyiv so far. You can see it in my face, I'm a little tired. I mean, every single day we're just running out, trying to find stuff to get into. Man, I will tell you, like, it feels really good being here. This is amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at NicoTJR and at Slavic Nico, because that's where I'm posting this stuff as I go throughout the day. If you haven't yet, check out shopbacktolife.com, grab you some merch, support the movement, and check out my Facebook page, Back to Life, as well. My Back to Life family, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Now we're moving, now we're cruising. You're the only thing that matters anymore. Now we're moving, now we're cruising.